Tech stocks under pressure as the U.S. market gets its session underway. Joining us now to discuss everything happening overseas is Yahoo Finance's Oscar Williams-Grut. Oscar.
Well, Miles, a bit of a quiet end to the week for stock markets here in Europe. We're seeing the main markets in Germany and France coming off their recent highs. They've been at multi-year highs and all-time highs in the case of Germany's DAX. But they're still up for the week despite a slight pullback. Meanwhile, here in the UK, the FTSE 100 is trading just about flat right now. That's after some early weakness. This morning, we got some GDP figures that showed the UK economy shrank by 2.9% in January as we returned to lockdown at the start of the year. Now, although it was a decline, it was much better than economists had forecast. Consensus in the city was a decline of 4.9%. Now, one of the reasons we're seeing the FTSE pull back to flat is because of weakness in the pound today. It's down about a third against the euro and 0.8% against the dollar. This is more to do with trade data than the GDP figures. New data out this morning showed that trade between the UK and the EU fell by 40% in January as Brexit took effect. That was the biggest monthly fall on record. Now, the government say this is temporary, but industry is warning that this could be permanent without further changes or greater support. Certainly a worrying sign for the UK economy.
They're out there buying Burberry trench coats.
That's right. Burberry are on the up today. They are topping the FTSE 100. The stock surged as much as 8% earlier today after a bullish update. The brand said that they saw a strong rebound in sales from December onwards, which meant that revenue and operating profits are likely to be ahead of forecasts. They didn't specify what's selling well or where, but back in January, they did say they were seeing good full price sales in places like America, mainland China, and Korea. Analysts are saying this could be the first stage in a multi-phase bounce back as more and more countries begin to unlock and affluent shoppers get back into Burberry shops.
All right, Yahoo Finance's Oscar Williams-Grut with all the latest happening over in Europe. Oscar, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.